Okay. Hi guys. So I am going to be going over Digital Quick Check 14-4 right now. I do want to point out you have a reference sheet on your 6th grade website. It's down in the math section, the math helpers, way towards the bottom. It is also available in Spanish if you want that, or if your parents like to see what you're learning. So I'll keep this up for now, but if you watch your video first, you should be fine. And actually, most of this is a review from 5th grade. So let's get started. The first thing is I'm going to look at my chart here, and I'm seeing favorite sport, number of students. So Abby surveyed, which just means asked the kids in her class what their favorite sport was. And here's the data. It says, what is the range of Abby's data? So range is when you take the highest number, which on this graph is 8. It doesn't matter that it's listed 2 times. It's still 8 is the highest number, minus the lowest number on the graph or chart, which is 2. So 8 take away 2 is 6. The range is 6. Just go over here. It's the difference between the highest and the lowest, just to show you where that is on the chart. All right, what is the mode? Mode's my favorite because it's the easiest, I think. Mode and mo start with the same MO sound. So the mode is the most frequent number on the graph or the chart. So 8. 8's on there twice. No other number is on there twice. Okay, for this one, what is the median of Abby's data? So when you find the median, you need to first put all the numbers in counting order, and then we find the middle value. So we have I'm going to share my whiteboard here in just a second. I have a 2, 3, 5, 8, and 8. So I'll show you what I wrote down. Those are the numbers in the chart. So it's the middle. So not these, not this. This is the median right here. It's the one in the middle. So I will click 5 for that. And next. Okay, so this one is a little trickier because it's asking you to find out mean, median, range, and mode for all of them and for this whole data set. So as I said before, mode I think is my favorite because it's the easiest. If I look in this data set, no number is repeated except 8. So 8 is my mode. My range, highest minus lowest. So 8 minus 1 is 7. And then my median, well, they've already lined up my data into counting order. So I would just find out the one in the middle, and that is a 5. So I am down. So right now, it looks like mode is probably going to be my answer. However, then there's this mean that we have to figure out. And I can tell you, I call it the mean because it's mean for us to have to do it. Let me see if my phone shows up on here. Oh, good, it does. Perfect. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add up all those numbers in that data set right here. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8. And I'll show you. I got 44. That's not it, though. You have to finish it out. You divide 4 by the number of digit or values in your data set. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will divide it by 9. And then I show you that. When I took the addition of all those numbers and I divided it by the number in my data set, I got 4.8. So definitely the mean is the lowest here. And my mode is going to be my highest amount or my largest amount. I'm going to go ahead and write this down just because I'm not sure if my next question needs that data. Let's go back. So I'm going to select mode for this answer. Okay, nope, they give me a completely different data set. Okay, so for this data set, oh my, it's asking you if the mean is greater than the mode is greater than the mean and mode are equal, or there's not enough information to answer this. Well, I can tell you there is enough information to answer this question. It's not asking me for the median in any of this. So it looks like I only need the mode and the mean. So mode is my favorite, and I'm gonna look which one's in there the most frequently, and it's a 7. So I just need to know if the mean is greater than the mode or the mode is greater than the mean. Quickly, I'm just gonna jot these numbers down so I have this when I'm showing you on my calculator. And yes, you can use a calculator. We're not going to be that mean about it. Here we go. So here's the data set. And I am going to add up these numbers. 11 plus 8 plus 14 plus 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 12. And I get a total of 63. And then how many are in my data set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm dividing it by 7. I do know that is 9 because I do know some math facts. So here, oops, let me go ahead and write my note down. The mean is greater than the mode. The mean is greater than the mode. So let's find that. The mean is greater than the mode. That's answer A. I hope I got them all right. If I'm not, I'm going to be kind of embarrassed. Woo! 100%! Good for you, Mrs. Jonas. All right. I will see you guys later. And if you need even more help, don't forget to message me.